How to make your pictures talk. Yes, a dream come true. So everybody is doing African folktale or they're doing cartoon characters and they want their pictures to talk. Let me teach you how to make your pictures talk like so.
My name is Wakabuchi, and I'm here to introduce my editing course to the world.
Yeah, and
very
it's free.
affordable and easy to learn.
Super free. Yeah, let's go. Let me show you how to make your pictures talk. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. My name is Wakabuchi. On social media, I teach you how to monetize the social media platforms, how to edit videos, how to work with all AI tools, and how to grow on social media. Yes. So my social media platform name, Wakabuchi, on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, everywhere. You can find me and I'll teach you. And I have courses that I'm running on content creation, AI, and editing videos. So yeah, let's go into this tutorial. Let me teach you how to do this pictures talking. Let's go. So you come here and you type this Hydra AI, this particular one with the black, the one with the black, okay? You type that one, you click on it. When you click on it, it brings you here. They say start for free. You click on start for free. Okay, so let's start here. They're asking you to pay. Normally, you use it for free to an extent before it gets you to pay. Okay, so don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry, because I know you all will be like, oh my god, am I supposed to pay? Okay, so you can register with your Gmail or any other app or any other app. Register with your Gmail. So apparently my internet is just slow. I accept the terms and condition. I clarify the BGB. I agree. You agree on everything, guys. Don't mind me, okay? Agree everything, and then you create your account. Now, when you create your account, don't click on subscribe, okay? Don't click on subscription, no, because you can use it for free. Click on create. Now, when you click on create, you get the subscribe off way. Yes. Don't shout that, oh, we have. There you go. They say type what you would like your character to say, okay? Now I'll type what I want my character to say. My character's name is Kai and I would like him to call Zillow. Okay. Zillow, fly high. Fly high. Let's go. This is very fun. This is very fun, comma. Let's go get the gold. Yay. I love this. Okay. Okay, now you put this. They ask you to select a voice. Let's see which voice we'll be selecting. I don't know.
It is not so important.
Never mistake motion.
God has given. It is not so important.
I'm looking for Kit's voice, actually. Let's see.
We make our own. The greatest gospel concert the world has ever witnessed is.
Okay, so I cannot choose that one.
It is not so important to know everything as to appreciate what we learn.
Okay,
The thing always happens.
So looks like we don't have the Kit's voice here. We don't have Kit's voice like I.
Hey, I'm Aracita. I might be a little ditzy, but I'm a lot of fun. And
this looks like a kid's voice, but in actually female form.
The greatest gospel. We make our own.
Okay, let's go take that one back. Let's go.
God has given. It is not.
Oh man.
Just trust yourself.
The thing always.
Government of the people.
It is not so important to know everything as to appreciate what we learn.
Okay, so I'm trying to choose a voice that's going to go well with our character since we are dealing
Hey,
with...
I'm Aracita. I might be a little...
Let's just choose this one. At least, let's just take that one. Or you can create a voice here, but I don't want to create a voice. So after doing that, down here, you can do either you generate your image or you upload. I consent, I don't consent. Okay. By selecting below. Okay, let's consent. Now I'll bring in my image. Okay. So I'll bring in this image of Zeno and Kai. Okay, so we have this. Now. What is the next move? The next move is your video will appear here when it's done. This is where your video will appear when it's done. Guys, like I said, you can use this app for free for some time before you get to pay. So please don't shout, okay? Like Xenofly high. Let's go. This is fun. This is funny. Let's go get the gold. Yay! I love this. Okay. I love this adventure of this. I love this adventure. Okay, so here we click on generate. Okay, you click on generate and wait. So you all can see it's generating. We need to generate, but here I did not specify if it's the dragon that needs to talk or the boy that needs to talk. But yeah, I'm just trying to show you that Hydro can actually make your image talk, right? Yeah, it can actually make your image talk. So fingers crossed. Let's wait for the boy to talk instead of let's wait for the boy to talk instead of the how they call it, instead of the dragon. But anyone that talks, it's gonna make sense for me. I don't know. It's all gonna be fun. So when it's done generating, you click here. Let's see.
Zillow fly
So
high. Let's go. This is very funny. Let's go get the gold. Yay. I love this adventure.
Okay, it's actually
Zillow
the
fly
boy that
high.
talked.
Let's
But I
go.
think the
This
mouth
is
did not
very
move well
funny.
because
Let's go get the
I
gold.
used two.
Yay.
Yeah, I used two
I love this
images.
adventure.
I used a picture with. Oh, sorry. I used a picture with two images and two creatures on, and the mouth open. Right? Like, let me just download this first. Let me download this, and now I'll show you all download. So you click on it and you click on download. Let's go back and let me choose another one. Okay, let me choose now a person who have a mouth so we get to see how it goes. Okay. My prince, let's see. My prince, I am pregnant for you, and my water family is so angry with me. I need to come with you. Okay. So we have this one, and let me put in the princess picture. Let me put in the picture here. Okay. Now, after doing this, I'll go to the image site, upload. I'll click on upload. Here we say re-upload. So I'll get a princess picture, right? Let me take this one. Okay. Let me look for the picture with her face a little bit. No, a picture with her face a little bit close to the screen. Okay, like this one. Okay, so we have this in already. That's the picture. Okay, I think this is good enough, right? Yeah, this is good. Take again. Guys, I'm just trying to set in the picture nicely, so please don't worry. I'm trying to put in the picture. Use your fingers to drag, okay? Everything is okay here. Okay, so I think everything is good here. Let me click on generate again and see what we have, okay? So I'm clicking on generate now. Your video will appear here. So wait and see. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. It's generating. Good thing is this Hydro, their app is actually, you can use it free for some time. And then again, it's super fast. Like it is fast, you know. It's fast. It's easy to use and it's fast. That's one thing I like it. And this app has been up for a long time, like for the longest time before Dope and all the other ones. This app has been there for a long time. I don't know how to put, but I know the app has been there for a long time because I used it like some years back. So yeah, so let's see. Let's play this and I did not choose a voice. Man, I just hope it did not use the baby voice.
My prince, I am pregnant for you, and my water family is so angry with me, I need to come with you.
Yeah. So you all see, right? I did not change the voice, but this is just to tell you that a more defined picture can give you a more good answer, okay? A more good result. I don't know how to put it anyways. But a more good picture can get you good answers, okay? So yeah, this is how you can actually make your videos or your characters talk. You can put in any characters of your choice and they'll talk. So when you're done doing that, click on the download button just below your picture and you download. Click on download and you download. So yeah. So you've seen that I've generated here without paying for coins. I have generated without paying for coins. So don't go say, oh, she paid for coins. No, I did not pay for coins. Okay. It's actually free. And to an extent, before you start paying, that's if you want to overdo. That's it. So yeah.